under 16 applicants. Ondo Varsity refunds acceptance fees. The management of the University of Medical Sciences, Ondo, has begun refusing acceptance fees to admission seekers who are not up to 16. Some parents have cried out that the institution rejected applicants who are under 16. The spokesman for the institution, Mr. Isaac Oluyi, said it was a policy of the Joint Admission and Matriculation Board, JAMB. Oluyi explained that the affected students were informed that it was JAMB policy and not the institution. Recall that the JAMB registrar, Professor Ishiak Oloyede, and the Minister for Education, Tahir Maman, had released the new JAMB age limit in Nigeria, which is set to change from 16 years to 18 years starting from 2025 to 2026 academic year. This change is meant to ensure that students are more matured and ready for the challenges of higher education. Oluyi claimed that JAMB issued the notice last Thursday after many applicants have paid acceptance fees. He stated, "We have no policy on age concerning admission. JAMB, alongside the Ministry of Education, came up with a policy that those under 16 should not be admitted, but the institution readmits applicants who are 17 years and above." Stay informed for real-time updates, breaking news, and exclusive content from NaijaNews TV.